Friday. It's a new adventure, a new weekend here. If you're like me, you live in Portland and it's winter and it's raining everywhere and the Deschutes is blowing at 25 miles an hour, you wonder, where the hell can I go? So you gotta scour the weather maps, have every single river in your weather map app, and constantly check it 5 times a day for the week preceding, and then find something that looks semi-decent. I'm getting a late start here. I'm gonna head down through Eugene to a little town called Oak Ridge and see if we can find some wild trout on the Middle Fork Willamette River. Just a lovely looking weather here. Lovely day, 45 degrees. Cool with that. And yeah, we're gonna see if we can find a little pocket of sun or at least some dry weather there in Oak Ridge. Apparently, according to one of my fishing buddies, it gets 350 days of sun there. So a little hot spot. And it's all mine today. Just me and the trout. Yeah, trouty, 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 trouty. Let's see if we can put one in the net. Shout out to PDX Fly Collective. It's a new site, and if you're a Portland area fly fisher or fisher in general, you want some up to the minute, well researched reports on where to fish on the weekend or throughout the month. The site owner over there does a fabulous job. Thanks for pointing me to this water right here. Just take a moment. I mean, this is just incredible. Look at that scene. Holy jeez. I feel really blessed to be here. Man. Okay, well let's start casting and see if I can get into anything. So as I'm netting this one, hopefully, I just made two adjustments off camera. One, I switched to a heavier nymph up top. This Perdigon. I think 3.8 millimeter bead. Look at this little guy. And I also cut off a foot on the top of my tippet because I felt like I was a little too Deschutes deep there. So this guy's wrapped. Oh, he's so beautiful. He's wrapped up. There you go, little buddy. There we go. And that paid dividends. Just a really nice rainbow. Yeah, rainbow? I think. Yeah. Oh yeah. Just a beauty. Just a nice little beauty. There you go, buddy. So that was great. First trout on the Middle Fork. time here. Yeah, maybe one more cast. Nice water. Really nice water. Look at that view.